हमारे साथ यहाँ पे जुड़ गए हैं एक ऐसे गेस्ट जो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है क्योंकि वो वही हैं जो हम पार्ट टाइम हैं और फुल टाइम भी हैं, वो हैं जो सेम फैमिली को बिलॉन्ग करते हैं, सेम प्रोफेशनल फैमिली को बिलॉन्ग करते हैं। आई हैव विथ मी द ऑथर ऑफ, नहीं ऐसे मैं बता दूंगी तो वो क्या बताएंगे, बिल्कुल वी हैव हियर मिस्टर कमलेश कलतारी। वेलकम टू द शो।
Thank you, Ashna. It's pleasure to be on your show. For the longest time, I have been introducing myself either with my qualification or the role at the firm I work with. So something like this, like I am Kamlesh Kaltari, a chartered accountant, principal director with Sudit K. Parekh, a consulting firm. Uh, I am into transfer pricing and international tax. So
Okay.
this is what we generally get. Like we say, meet Rajiv, who is an engineer from IIT. Meet Neha, who is pursuing CFA or GMAT or MBA or something of that sort. Can you
Right.
believe that? Sometimes the degree that we prepare or pursue actually defines us or
Defines
becomes
us.
our identity. Or
Right.
becomes our identity. I think we all are much more than this. So let me try something different here and introduce myself as a pick and choose, a proud father of two, a loving husband, son, brother, passionate friend, nature lover, rural man, um,
Wow.
exper- experimental cook, and a constant seeker. These are
Lovely.
these are certain parts of my identity that I celebrate. Remembering these memorable pieces always brings a joy. So thank you so much, Ashna, for giving the opportunity to gather who I am. And of course, there's a lot about me, but let me press the pause button here.
That's an amazing way of introducing yourself, Kamlesh. I know nobody would have done that better than yourself. So let me tell all the people out. Know Your Author is one such thing wherein when I got in touch with Kamlesh, I went through his book. It actually helped me to gather my thoughts for a particular pace. Like we share the same passion. As he proudly says, that he's a chartered accountant by profession and a traveler by passion, and a lot of us share the same set of passion. And amidst all this, there you would never think that somebody would just come back and think of writing a book on what they have experienced. So, how does this thought come into place, Kamlesh?
So Ashna, to be honest, after this wonderful trip, because everywhere uh, बहुत लोग कहते हैं कि अगर धरती पे स्वर्ग है तो यही है and there's enough said and shown in Bollywood movies about the tremendous beauty about this place,
Right.
snow-clad mountains, dangerous valleys, and imagine a young chap like me who is mad about riding bikes, riding a bullet in such a scenic environment. So Himalayas is something which excites people, and
True.
after going through this awesome journey of covering Srinagar, Sonmarg, Kargil, Leh Ladakh, Pangong Lake, I was going gaga about the beauty of the nature, one of the most picturesque places on earth. Um, it was I couldn't resist myself from penning down something. So on a working Saturday after closing work, I was headed home, and suddenly there was urge and the thoughts were flowing in that I need to pen down something about this awesome trip that I have had with my friends.
Okay. Okay.
So I came back to office and
Uh-huh.
started putting pen to paper. But before that,
Oh.
I just expressed this keen desire of writing something to my friend who was unfortunately sitting late that day in office,
Okay.
which worked to my advantage. So he mentioned that okay, you can write a blog or something, start penning down
Okay.
what you feel like.
Okay.
So that was the initial urge to write something.
Urge to write. But Kamlesh, as far as I have known you, you have not been an avid reader, right? And generally we say that people who read a lot, they are inspired, or they tend to, you know, move towards this beautiful art of writing. So despite the fact कि आपने academics के अलावा like we all know you're a chartered accountant by profession, तो academics के अलावा आपने ज़्यादा किताबें जो हैं वो नहीं पढ़ी हैं, उसके बावजूद एक ख्याल आना कि एक पूरी की पूरी किताब लिखी जाएगी उस एक सफ़र के बारे में, उस एक जर्नी के बारे में जो आपने और आपके दोस्तों ने जो तय किया 10 दिन का वो सफ़र, और द टाइटल इज़ वेरी अट्रैक्टिव, तेनू मैं ले जावा, आई मीन how did that come into picture? I mean, it's so filmy and it's so catchy, if I must say. तो title कैसे सूझा ये?
See, you know, growing in a small place, seeing the world. I've been traveling a lot, but I had never seen such a beautiful place. You know, I was बोलते हैं ना कि स्तंभ हो गया मैं इतनी खूबसूरती अपने आसपास देख के,
right?
वैसा लगा. तो I felt that, you know, अगर किसी को ट्रैवल करना है, खूबसूरती जगह से सीखने को भी मिलता है, काफी वहां के लोगों का रहन सहन भी काफी अच्छा था. So there were a lot of life learnings that I saw during this 10-day journey, which I thought I should encourage people to get out of their comfort zones, explore new places, and visit this place.
Right.
So that was the whole idea behind, you know, the title that, you know, तेनू मैं ले जावांगा. So let me take all my readers on a virtual trip, which you know, does justice to the picturesque places that we visited. So that was the logic behind that title.
Awesome. And Kamlesh, since we're talking about the title, let me congratulate you. It has been the #1 bestseller in the travel category of Amazon Books. And before we move on to this beautiful conversation and your journey of Leh Ladakh, please tell all our viewers where they can find this book, how they can. We are going to obviously share the link in the description, but where can they go and read the book?
The book is very much available on Amazon, Google Books as well, and on Notion Press website. You know, the simplest way is to just log into Amazon and type the title or my name, Tenu Main Le Javanga or Kamlesh Kaltari. So the book will pop up. It is both available in soft copy, which is the ebook, as well as the hard copy, which is the paper bound.
Lovely. And amid this lockdown, जहाँ पे ये सारे artists और authors ही हमारा एक लौता सहारा है, so this is the best time to pick up a book. If you're missing Leh Ladakh, if you've been there, and if you haven't been there and you want to explore how is it, so कमलेश की आंखों से आप लेह लद्दाख को देखेंगे. तो कमलेश, एक और क्वेश्चन जो जहन में आता है वो ये है कि जब भी हम सोचते हैं कि हम हमारी जर्नी के बारे में किसी के साथ कुछ बांटें या कुछ लिखें, हर बार ये हो जाता है कि हम जो है वो उसे उतने शायद अच्छे तरीके से बता नहीं पाते हैं. तो कभी ये डर मन में आया कि अब मैं बुक लिख रहे हैं, तो मैं किताब तो लिख रहा हूँ, बट व्हाट इफ आई डोंट डू जस्टिस टू दैट प्लेस? सो कभी ये दैट फियर ऑफ नॉट डूइंग इट came across your mind?
रोज आता था. इनफैक्ट काफी बार एक्चुअली मैंने एक पैटर्न बनाया था कि रोज रात को 2-3 घंटे बैठूंगा. Around 10:30 to 1:30 was my writing slot. I think that was when creativity was at its peak during those hours. So I used to get the write up validated by a lot of people. So the first thing in the morning मैं अपनी वाइफ को पकड़ता था और पकड़ा देता था कि ये कल लिखा है, ये पढ़ो, ये कैसे लग रहा है. So मैंने एक्चुअली बिकॉज मैंने कोई किताब नहीं पढ़ी थी, कोई नॉवेल, फिक्शन या ट्रैवल लॉग नहीं पढ़ा था, तो आई वाज नॉट वेरी श्योर कि आई एम डूइंग जस्टिस टू द एक्सपीरियंसेस दैट वी हैव हैड, or to the beauty of the place. So what was the entire objective, whether that is coming on to the paper or not. So मैंने क्या किया था कि 4 buckets बनाए थे कि one who is an avid reader,
Okay.
avid traveler, one
Okay.
one who hates reading, and one who hates traveling. तो तो
Oh.
तो ये चारों कैटेगरी के लोगों को आइडेंटिफाई करके मैंने
Okay.
रोज इनको पकड़ा देता था कुछ भी अगर नया लिखा तो. सो
अच्छा.
व्हेन आई गॉट अ पॉजिटिव फीडबैक फ्रॉम ऑल ऑफ देम, दैट केप्ट मी गोइंग टू जस्ट राइट ऑन. And eventually the learnings and the emotions of the trip were so much that it was naturally coming onto the flow. So
Amazing. No, the thought in itself is so nice that thinking about everybody around, जो पढ़ते हैं वो भी जो नहीं पढ़ते हैं उनके अंदर भी वो इंटरेस्ट आए. जैसे कि मैंने कहा कि टाइटल तो है ही इतना कैची कि किसी का भी मन करेगा कि ओके ले जाना ही है अभी तो. I mean, the smile on your face, the smile on my face, talking about the title itself says a lot about the book. So Kamlesh, moving on to that part, which is more from an execution part, like we say, कि आपने book लिख दी, आपने validations करवा दिए, you did all your checks on time, but then comes the most difficult part when we talk about a book, and that's the publishing part, and that's when the self-publication thing came into picture. So Kamlesh, tell us more about it.
So I think I completed the book in the record speed. I
Okay.
started somewhere in mid-July, and the book got published on Amazon on 21st of September 2019.
Okay.
But my book was almost ready towards August end. It
Uh-huh.
took me good 3 weeks to figure out the entire process of self-publishing, or how to take the plunge after your entire manuscript or draft version of the book is ready.
Right.
Uh,
Right.
it was let me tell you, writing a book was a easy task, but
As compared
the
to publishing it.
publishing also, I would say, somehow I managed, but the most
Acha.
part is how do I ensure the book reaches the right kind of audience, or people pick
Audience.
it up, as you call,
Hmm.
the marketing the book so that it reaches people so that they can pick up for reading. uh,
Right. Right.
just to throw some light on self publishing, it was a lot of struggle.
Uh-huh.
I started reaching out to few of my colleagues who had written books on the subject matter, like someone had published their book on indirect tax, GST, but these were technical things which they caught hold of a traditional publisher who published it, and because their intent was to maximize their reach in their field, that was much easier. But
Right.
this being a different genre, editing, designing the cover page,
Designing it.
converting the format into ebook format itself was a task. So I was lucky to reach out to a few freelancers who were willing to do the formatting for me at a decent cost.
Right.
And I was very clear that I don't want to change any text, because this is my writing style.
Okay.
All they had to do was to ensure that it is converted into a ebook format so that it
Ebook.
can be uploaded.
Amazing. I mean, it's really interesting, the whole journey of going to a place in the first go, and then writing about it, thinking of writing about it, then actually writing a book, publishing it, then going around marketing it all by yourself, a one man army kind of a stuff. So Kamlesh, you've been a chartered accountant by profession for more than a decade now. You've been dealing with numbers and financials everywhere, and then there comes this aspect of your life wherein you're writing stuff. So, have you given it a thought of writing more, like writing more books or blogs or short stories?
Yes, of late, I've been utilizing the lockdown period, just thinking, with so much happening around us, in US you have this racism, and the entire world is, suffering with the pandemic, COVID-19 and all
Right,
that. There are a lot of
right.
negative sentiments, thoughts going around. So my mind keeps wandering here and there.
Hmm.
For me, I like picking up new things. So I have, off late, I have started writing poems,
Wow, wow.
which again was never thought of. It is just I'm going with the flow. Somehow I get this writing spurts once in a while. Uh,
Okay.
so in span of say 30, 35 days, I've penned down 10 poems. on
Lovely.
on different topics also. So with the kind of response I have got for Tenu Main Le Javanga book, I think I am thinking of writing another one. I have not finalized the plot yet, but
Okay.
I think it's going to be a thriller one, and I'm
Wow.
not wanting to restrict myself to travel writing.
That's beautiful. That's amazing, Kamlesh. The thought of thriller in itself is very thrilling. Well, yeah, the jokes apart, it's been an amazing conversation since the last few minutes. And moving on to the last leg of the conversation, we all know Tenu Mein Le Javanga has been on the top when it comes to bestsellers in the travel category of books. And recently, you were also interviewed, and when you talk about being interviewed, the first thing it comes like, huh, you are being interviewed right now, but you've been interviewed by Chat and Spin Radio UK. So, I mean, congratulations on that. Tell us more about all your achievements. There's so many articles written about your book, about you managing both the aspects of life so well. So, tell us more about it.
So I would say, Ashna, I'm very lucky that it's all this is happening on its own. But a message for the listeners is, just keep your efforts going. Your efforts are going to pay. Maybe not immediately, but sometime later. So after launching the book, I tried my best because, as you said, it was one man army and I was new to all this.
Right.
I was shooting in all directions, and I didn't leave any distant relative or any friend of mine to reach out or to latch on to their connects, so that because my objective from the beginning has not to make money out of this, but I wanted to inspire readers to enjoy life to the fullest, take up new hobbies, explore out of their comfort zone, crave for lighter moments in life,
Beautiful.
connect with near and dear ones. uh, of course, with COVID situation, I cannot tell them to
To be
explore
around.
places
Right.
and start traveling, but these were few these are close to my heart. So these are the things that I wanted to spread the message through which I thought, let me try and do my best to reach out to a lot of people, and in the process, once someone read the book, they had nice things to say about it. So the message started spreading across, and
Right.
I was fortunate that editor from Travis magazine, which is a Australian travel magazine, bike magazine,
Right.
reached out to me, and they said that, okay, we picked up your book.
Uh-huh.
We would want to do a review, a proper full-blown review of it in our April edition. Would you be okay? I said, I'm pretty happy if that happens. And also in the process, there is Bike Magazine of India, which featured my travel story in their May edition. And again,
Lovely.
Chat and Spin Radio happened by chance. So I
Hmm.
got interviewed for the, that was the last month. So I got interviewed by them.
That's
And again,
awesome. That's awesome.
I was lucky to be introduced to you by another common friend. So this is what it's all falling in place for me.
Absolutely. And we are so glad that this conversation happened. Thank you so much for sharing your experience and all the very best for all your future writing assignments. And to all the listeners out there, तेनू मैं ले जावांगा की link जो है वो हम description में डाल देंगे यहाँ पे. But if you haven't been to Leh and you want to see Leh from Kamlesh's eyes, this is the book you should be picking up. Kamlesh, thank you so much for being on the show. It has been an amazing interview. Thank you for sharing your experiences. Thank you for sharing and encouraging people that self-publication can be done for people who have just recently started writing and they are looking for some kind of an inspiration. Thank you for being around.
Thank you, Ashna. It was pleasure talking to you.
Same here. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye.